everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap stories and today talking about smoke and mirrors. Phumphile, the entertainment commentator, revealed the shocking news about i-character kaSiza kuwona ke lo mdlalo ke i-Smoke and Mirrors. Nizokhumbula guys ukuthi le ndawo yayidlalwa ke uZolisa Xaluva nowayishiya ke esikhaleni sakhe kwangena ke uHlomla Dandala nokwavela ukuthi ke naye futhi uyayishiya le character kwathiwa kuzobuya ke uZolisa Xaluva azobuyela ke espacing sakhe kwathiwa ngoba nakho abalaleli bamfuna bababukeli bamfuna uXaluva uyena ke uzobuya bese ke eyahamba ke uHlomla Dandala kodwa ke kuba sengazo si guys ngathi inhlelo zabo azihambanga kahle. Naku ke umyalezo ke osendwe ke uFumphile noma ke oshare uFumphile page lakhe ke wathi casting news uSiyabonga Thwala sasimazi kwisibaya guys to replace Hlomla Dandala. Wathi ke Thwala is set to take over the role of Siza Ngonyama on the 3rd season of the telenovela Smoke and Mirrors. The role was originated by Zolisa Xaluva, who was replaced by Dandala on the 2nd season. So with that season sesino Siza ke omusha ongu Siyabonga ke Thwala. Abantu guys babuza ukuthi why bengavele bayibulale le character kunalento ke abayenzayo esingayiqondi ke nathi njengababukeli. So guys asazi ukuthi ke why bengayibulali bezokubekhipha ke belokhu beshintsha ke aba i-character eyodwa bayishintsha bazoyishintsha kathathu hayi actually ngampela. So yeah guys, that season will meet the new Siza Ngonyama. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ubona ukuthi ke uSiyabonga Thwala uzokwazi yini ukuthi ayibambe ishisa ke insimbi ka Zolisa Xaluva lapha na ke ku Smoke and Mirrors. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.